Next, I'll demonstrate the lazy daisy stitch. Let's start with the left pattern. Using 4 strands of color number 1. First, come up here. Take it down beside. Don't pull tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up at center top. Then take down at outer edge. Let me show again. Come up here. Take down next to it. Don't pull tight. Leave loop on fabric. Come up at center top. Then take down along outer edge. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Don't stitch center circle yet. We'll add French knots at the end. For better appearance, note each stitch forms separate loops, not connected to others. Final stitch down. Move needle to center on back. Bring it up. Add French knots for decoration. French knots are detailed in pattern 01. You can watch and learn there. Wrap thread around needle twice. Then take down at center point. Let's look at the result. Using 4 strands of color number 5 to reinforce right pattern. Bring it up, take down beside. Come up at top. Take down along outer edge. Following same steps. Complete remaining pattern. Don't pull thread too tight. Keep stitch spacing even. Move needle to center. Add French knots here too. Let's look at the finished result.